Begin installation by wrapping the bottom half of the cover over one corner of your rear seat before extending it across to the other side. Next, proceed to tuck in all straps between the seat and back while creating a nice and taut fit. Take note of the location of any seatbelt buckles. We will make a special accommodation for these features. Once fully installed, create a small opening using a pair of scissors directly over the midpoint of the seatbelt buckles. Take care not to make too large of an opening before tucking away any excess fabric. Next, proceed to remove all headrests from your rear bench seat. Begin installation of the top half by wrapping it around one corner and extending this across to the other side. Make sure that the cover is orientated correctly so that you zip down to open and zip up to close. Zip open the cover to create a 60-40 split before folding down your bench sheet to access the backside. Continue covering the seat while you expose all straps. Attach supplied hooks to the straps and secure these to one another around the backside. Next, repeat this process on the other side of your bench seat. Set the seat back into place before zipping up the cover. Next, locate all headrest posts before making a small opening using a pair of scissors. Wrap any excess fabric underneath. Lastly, reinsert all headrests into your back seat before wrapping them with the included covers. And there you have it. Your new seats are ready for your next trip. Any questions? Feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help.